make sure you're not swimming in the middle. I mean, I really make that a big part of it. Be on that rail because he gets wiggly and then he doesn't move as nice and forward. Okay, so you just got to kind of get past that. Yeah, just kind of try and get past that. Find a nice spot, and that'll actually make you feel, I think, a little more secure.
See, I don't.
Just practice it.
People pop up and do crazy things.
Well, that's all right. But at least if they pop up, he can only go one way.
That's true. So, no, I think I would maybe keep him walking, especially not stopping him by the gate. I know why you're stopping him, obviously. Good boy, give him a peck and he walked right off. What do you think, Kay? You okay?
She is fired up. Yeah, she's better. I mean, she's.
A lot going on. Yeah, she's a little more bright-eyed. So, the other thing is that some reason we're a little noisier with their tag. I think she doesn't know what to think about that. That won't be. And nobody will be on top of it. No, but exactly right. I see. You want to keep walking for a minute? Yeah. I wouldn't worry about that. No, yeah.
All right, it is 11:45, and our break is over. We are not doing a drag, so we can please